What's going in? I'm back again with another video, and today we're gonna do some little maintenance on my Lexus. Right here, engine flush I like to use. My engine treatment, I usually use a restore line, but they didn't have it for the 6-cylinder, only for V8, so I'm gonna try this one. Frank filter and my motor oil. And I know this is a cheap oil and this is a Lexus. I know that the whole weight is wrong, but you know what? There is an oil leak. I don't give a fuck. Oil is oil to me, man. So let's get started. Yes, this is how I treat my Lexus. No, I'm just kidding. There is a cam seal leak that I have never got a chance to go over and change it because, one, never did that before. Two, I just don't have the time. I forgot to buy a new seal for this. That's probably one of the reasons why too. You see a lot of oil down here. But yeah, simple oil change, nothing major. On the side, what I like to do is I like to fluffen this up. So that the oil just absorbs. It absorbs the oil better, in my opinion. Okay, add that in. So first thing, after we put that oil box in, open the oil, grab motor flush. Where's the keys? Keys. So that was more than 5 minutes, but that's alright. Now we can get started.
You got to feel it.
So it's supposed to be actually 5 quarts. I forgot to grab one more last night at Walmart, so I'm gonna go stop by, add that 1 quart. Should be good to go. After this, just check the fluids, make sure everything is all good, and that's it.